This is the wall design. This will be our next project here on Aventura. We're cutting the paper right now on the floor. This is a full hero. So we did this yesterday, right here, and then my guy's doing it. Another one here. This look beautiful right here. It's looking beautiful. Yeah. es una foto, es un video.
Oh, entonces no todavía tengo que estar.
Okay, this is my guy. He's
He's an artist. I'm an artist.
He's an artist. One of my best guys out here in my company doing the wallpaper. It's looking beautiful right now. It's looking beautiful. I like it. All right. I'm gonna show you guys the final project with the pictures and everything. I'm doing this section right here. I'm doing this paper, and then this one, and it's gonna look beautiful too. When it finishes, I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna put it on my website, and you guys can take a look. Alrighty, this is the wall design and painting.